January nang mag-post nga si Rufa Gutierrez at humihingi ng panalangin para sa kanyang minamahal na sister-in-law na si Alexa Gutierrez. In-update nitong si Rufa na may leukemia ang kanyang hipag. Ayon kay Rufa, leukemia warrior, Alexa Guts is a brave and beautiful soul, a devoted wife to Elvis and a loving mother to Ira and Ezra, her two young daughters in the face of this unforeseen adversity. She needs our prayers and support. Let's storm the heavens and pray for Alexa's complete healing. Lex, you are such a positive, courageous, beautiful, and strong human being. I know you can beat this. God has a great plan for you. We love you and will walk with you through every step of this journey. Continue to be in high spirits. You're not alone. P.S. Thank you to all the doctors, nurses, medical experts, and healthcare workers at St. Luke's Medical Center, Global City for taking care of Alexa. You are the best. At dito lamang June 27 ay nag-post pa itong si Alexa na kung saan ay nakatag sa Instagram ng kanyang asawa na si Elvis. Say ni Alexa, still in the hospital fighting my battle with leukemia. God is teaching us to be strong and courageous. Above all today, He is reminding us, be thankful for every breath and love the people around you. Life of Kut, thank you, love for loving me truly in sickness and in health. Grateful that when there are days that I am weak, you are strong. Happy anniversary, truly always and forever, my love. Nito lamang ay nag-post na nga si Rufa Gutierrez na pumanaw ng ang kanyang minamahal na hipag na si Alexa. Say ni Rufa, I'm still trying to process and accept that you are no longer with us. It's so hard. Words cannot express how heartbroken and shocked I am. I love you so much, my beautiful, irreplaceable Alexa. You will forever be in my thoughts and in my heart until we cross path again. Ito po ay message ni Rufa one day ago. I wrote more than able. At matapos nga o makalipas ang isang araw ng pagpanaw ni Alexa, ay narito naman ang mensahe ng kanyang minamahal na asawang si Elvis. Sabi ni Elvis sa kanyang Instagram, you were 19, I was 22. This was the first day you learned how to drive. I wanted to capture how happy you were. You called me the best driving teacher. I miss you so much, Alexa. Ito lamang June ay nag-7th birthday pa ang anak nila na bunso na si Ezra kung saan ay hindi na nga nakarating si Alexa dahil ito ay nasa ospital na sa St. Luke upang magpagaling sa kanyang sakit na leukemia. Pero yun nga, hindi pinalad at nito nga lamang July 28 ay bumigay na nga si Alexa at tuluyan na itong namaalam sa kanyang minamahal na pamilya. Isa nga si Rufa Gutierrez sa talaga namang nagdadalamhati sa pagpanaw ng kanyang minamahal na hipag na mukhang sobrang mahal na mahal din ng pamilya Gutierrez at ganun din naman si Alexa kung gaano niya kamahal ang pamilya ng kanyang minamahal na asawang si Elvis. Well, accept our deepest sympathy mula sa Showbiz Now. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners.